Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off timer in iPhone camera. Let's begin. So turning off timer guys is easy as 1, 2, 3 because it's so super easy. Like even, toddlers or grade schoolers can pretty much do this. So I'm just showing you how it's done. First by launching your camera app. You just need to tap on that. Once you're there, just hit on the arrow. So you'd notice there's like a middle, like small arrow just at the top most part of the screen. So when you tap on that, you would see the movements just below the bottom where you can take the photo. So you can see that, right? So right now my timer is on. It's set for 3 seconds. So how to turn that off? Just need to go to your timer, and then there's an option there that says off. All right. So once you hit on that, the timer that's located at the upper right is gone. So if I do that again, so for example, I'm gonna be using 10 seconds, you would notice that the timer is highlighted to like yellow while the rest are white. And then if you look at the upper right, there's like 10s. That means like 10 seconds timer. So if you would need to tap on the timer again and turn it off, then everything is back to white. There's nothing highlighted in there. And then the upper right, 10s is also gone. Okay, you could also go to support.apple.com guys for further instructions, because say for example if you're using iPhone 11 and later, or if you're using other models, there may be other icons for you to tap for you to set your timer off. So there, I hope you learned something today. If you want to learn more about iPhone camera tricks, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.